Good evening. This is the journal of second week February. So the trades I have done and I have missed. See this trend line. I didn't see. Means in my perspective in the market there is no setup. So I missed this trade and I have seen this setup. But I didn't take any trade because I thought market will come down and then it will trap the sellers and it will go up. But instead market came to this level and I missed the trade. Then in Ethereum, this was one kind of good setup which I could have taken, but because of my mentality, I didn't take the trade. Then in Dogecoin, it was beautiful setup. Okay, after a change of character, market accumulated again, and then one touch, two touch, three touch, four touch, and before this, one breakdown was there. Thought of shorting the market, but I didn't short and it came down and then it started to go up, but as it started to go up I saw my favorite candlestick pattern and then I took an entry. My stop loss was here and I thought of adding more quantity to this. Is my first was 50 rupees here and I thought I will add another 50 rupees loss risk here and it will be a 1:2 trade, but I didn't add any second quantity. That was the mistake. So it was a very good setup. Means I executed the trade very nicely and I achieved 1:4 risk reward instead of 1:5. Means because I have exited some quantity here and manually I have exited some quantity here because my target was little bit higher. It didn't go to that level, so I exited manually and then it came back. I saw again I saw here that it will start to go up. I could have entered here because this is a support plus Fibonacci area, so one entry could have been here and the stop loss will be down below here and target either this high or this high. After that in XRP, I think I have not traded this in the one touch, two touch, three touch. I have traded this one, but I have not traded this one. One touch, two touch, three touch, breakout, and like this breakout. After breakout accumulation, adding few more quantity, adding to my winners and the target. And this is the trade that I missed today morning. One touch, two touch, three touch, downside trade, change of character, and then there was breakout structure and then there was trend continuation. So this is the support level that broke down. ADNO trade. So in BNB Binance coin, this was the trade that I saw, but I didn't execute. One touch, two touch, three touch, and then the before breakout and double bottom there was a channel pattern and I didn't enter here. I saw at this candle also. I thought of entering but I didn't enter and it went to exactly to my target at 1:2, more than 1:2. And after that the very next day I didn't enter the trade. I saw, but no, I didn't see. I saw here, but there was no confidence, so I didn't enter into this setup. But it executed perfectly, and then yesterday I entered here. My SL must be below this area, but instead I kept it here. So and target was like here, but according to rules my SL should be here, part of game. But again, here is the interesting story. I again entered with a few quantity here. My SL was below this area and my target was this instead, and I reached little less. So I saw the candle taking the liquidity of this zone, but I didn't book any quantity. It came and I came to my trailed SL area and took the trailed SL. So booking of partial quantity was very much important. And today morning I saw this setup after liquidity grab and change of market structure. It accumulated here, breakdown. After breakdown I should have shorted, instead I saw only and missed a good opportunity. Means every day there is an opportunity in one or other coin. We must circulate, means change the currency or the instrument to see there is any setup or not. So there was a good setup. I could have entered here easily, this liquidity at 1:2 and then this liquidity. Now gold. In gold, this was the setup I didn't trade, and this was the setup I planned. But what happened? I entered here, kept my SL here at this support area. Below that it started to go up, then at midnight it came down, took the liquidity, and then it went to my target. My target was here. So what I thought was, at first what I thought was to place my order at this liquidity, because in gold first they will do the liquidity grab and then it starts to move to the direction of the planned trade. So if I have kept an entry here and a sell over here, and my target was this support area, then 1:3 easily achieved. So learning from my mistakes were not booking few quantity, even though means grateful trading is very bad. So we should book few quantity. Whatever happens, partial booking is very important. And in gold, liquidity grab and then trade. Means first there will be liquidity grab, then the trade will go to the desired direction, because here a lot of liquidity build up. So market came down, took the liquidity, then went up. But in this condition there was liquidity up above on only one single direction. See here, a trend line was broken. Before that, one damage was done to the retail. So suppose this is a trend line breakout setup, and here also one trend line was there. First it came down, took the liquidity, and then it started to go up. This was the trade I planned, but it was early morning setup, so I didn't get a chance to enter into this trade. See, sometimes there will be no breakout. I thought this many touches are there, so market will go up. But I took an early entry, but market didn't go up. Instead, it break this trend line and came down. So I should have waited and see which direction market is breaking. Even though there is a many touches in upside, but market still choose to go down. Thank you.